Good morning. Today the heredity. Okay. So first question is, in pea plants, spherical seeds are dominant to dentate seeds. That is, spherical seeds are dominant, so capital S, and dentate seeds it's recessive, so small s. In a genetic a cross of two plants that are heterozygous for the seed shaped, right? What fraction of the offspring should have spherical seeds? So here in monohybrid cross of F1 plants, both are heterozygous, right? Both are heterozygous spherical. So one capital S is there and one small s is there. So the offspring is 3/4. All the plants, this is heterozygous dominant, that is capital S. The spherical is heterozygous dominant and recessive. So 1/4 of them, 1/4 of the F1 generation is recessive and 3/4 is the dominant, that is with the spherical seeds, and 1/4 is with the recessive, that is 1/4 is with the dentate seeds. Then second question, when a plant homozygous for tall is crossed with a plant homozygous for dwarf, what will be the appearance of the offsprings of a cross of F1 with its tall parent? So homozygous tall, so that is capital T and capital T, and crossed with a homozygous of dwarf, so small t and small t. What will be the appearance of the offspring of a cross of F1 with its tall parent? So again the F1 generation plant is the hybrid tall. So what will be if it is crossed with the tall parent? So capital T and capital T, the resulting offspring will be, when a plant homozygous for tall capital T is crossed with a plant homozygous dwarf, that is small t, the offsprings in the F1 will be the production of heterozygous tall. That means if homozygous tall is crossed with homozygous recessive, the offspring is heterozygous tall, that is one capital T and one small t. That is the third question, second question. Then coming to the third question, now such a heterozygous tall, that is capital T and small t, when back crossed with its tall parent, that is capital T and capital T, what results will be shown? So now the F1 generation plant, that is the homozygous plant, tall plant, it is capital T is crossed with the homozygous recessive small t. The heterozygous tall plant is the F1 generation. This heterozygous tall, that is the capital T small t, is again crossed with one of the parent, that is the homozygous tall here. So capital T, what will be the result? So what results will be shown? So the parent is here the heterozygous tall, so capital T small t, and with the tall plant, that is homozygous tall, so both the capital T. The gametes are one capital T and one small t, and capital T and capital T. So here in the Punnett square, this is homozygous tall, heterozygous tall and heterozygous tall. So the homozygous and the heterozygous, all plants are tall. The homozygous tall as well as the heterozygous tall we will get in the 1:1 ratio. In such a case, all the parents will be tall. Both the homozygous tall as well as the heterozygous tall we will get in the offsprings. So that is in the 1:1 ratio. That is, all the four plants are tall. In such a case, all the parents will be tall. Then the fourth question, what type of the gametes and flower colors of the offsprings would be produced in the following crosses? So two crosses they have given. So what type of the gametes and flower colors of the offsprings would be produced in the following crosses? First cross is capital R and crossed with small r. So homozygous, and here also the homozygous. In case of capital R is crossed with small r, first condition. So the parents are capital R and the small r. The gametes are here, obviously both are capital R, so R, capital R, and here also small r. So on crossing the gametes, so capital R, small r, capital R, small r, capital R, small r, and capital R, small r. So all the flowers will be pink in color and they are heterozygous. So they produced in the pink color, right? The red color flower is crossed with white color. The result, the offspring, it will be in pink color. So all are heterozygous. The result is all the flowers will be pink color. In the second condition, here parents are capital R, small r, that is heterozygous, and both are heterozygous. So here gametes are one capital R and one small r, and one capital R and one small r. On crossing here, one pure red color, that is both the capital R, so this is red color, and one small r, that is white color, and two heterozygous. A ratio of red and pink is 1, and the white pink color is 2, red color is 1, white color is 1. So 1:2:1. So a ratio of 1:2:1 will be produced. One red flower, one white flower, and a result of intermediate, that is the pink color, that is 2. So this is the result, 1:2:1. Thank you.